What if I told you that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, and that the solution might already be growing at your local garden center? I'm not talking about some complicated health routine or expensive gadgets. I'm talking about plants quietly working in your home, improving your body and mind while you live your life. So which plants actually improve your health, and which ones are worth the space? Stick around, because today we're counting down 20 indoor plants that can genuinely improve your health, and some of them might surprise you. Let's get into it. Number 1, rosemary. Most people think rosemary is just a kitchen herb, but it's doing far more than flavoring your food. That sharp, fresh scent you notice when you brush past rosemary isn't just pleasant, it directly affects your brain. Research shows rosemary aroma can support memory, focus, and mental clarity. That's why so many people place it near desks or workspaces. Feeling foggy in the afternoon? Simply touching the leaves and inhaling the scent can give your brain a noticeable boost. It's also easy to grow indoors. Bright light, well-drained soil, and minimal watering are all it needs to become a natural productivity helper. But what if you want something that helps your body feel better, not just your focus? Number 2, peace lily. Peace lilies do more than look elegant. They naturally increase humidity in indoor spaces, which matters more than most people realize. Dry air is a common cause of sinus pressure, headaches, and irritated airways. By releasing moisture, peace lilies help ease those symptoms. On top of that, their calm white blooms have a soothing emotional effect. Many people report feeling more relaxed just being around them, and they're incredibly communicative plants. When they need water, they droop slightly, taking all the guesswork out of care. Keep them in indirect light and let them do their thing. But if moisture isn't your biggest concern, what about a plant known for direct healing? Number 3, aloe vera. Aloe vera has been associated with healing for centuries, and for good reason. Inside its thick leaves is a gel packed with compounds that soothe burns, irritation, and inflammation. It's like growing a living first aid kit. But there's another layer here. Knowing you have aloe nearby provides psychological comfort. That sense of readiness and care actually reduces stress. Aloe is also incredibly forgiving. Bright light, infrequent watering, and it thrives. But what if sleep is your biggest struggle? Number 4, lavender. Lavender is famous for a reason. Its scent has been shown to reduce stress hormones, lower heart rate, and promote deeper sleep. Keeping lavender in your bedroom creates natural aromatherapy without sprays or oils. If you ever find your mind racing at night, gently rubbing lavender leaves and breathing deeply can calm your nervous system quickly. Lavender needs strong light and minimal watering, but the payoff is better rest and calmer evenings. Now let's talk about mental fatigue. Number 5, spider plant. Spider plants are quiet overachievers. They help improve air quality, and cleaner air means less fatigue and clearer thinking. When your brain gets better oxygen, everything feels easier. Spider plants are also incredibly resilient. Forget to water them once in a while, they bounce back. That resilience has a subtle emotional effect. They remind us that recovery is natural. Plus, those dangling baby plants add visual interest and movement that feels lively and comforting. But what if breathing comfort is the real issue? Number 6, English ivy. English ivy has been shown to reduce airborne mold particles. That's huge for anyone dealing with allergies or respiratory discomfort. Cleaner air means easier breathing and better rest. That's why ivy often shows up in recovery spaces. Give it moderate light, keep the soil lightly moist, and it quietly improves the air around you. But some plants do more than clean air. They ground you. Number 7, rubber plant. Rubber plants have large, glossy leaves that naturally increase humidity, helping dry skin and breathing. But more than that, they have a grounding presence. In a world full of screens and stimulation, something solid and calm can reduce mental overload. Rubber plants feel steady. Care is simple. Bright, indirect light and watering when the soil dries slightly. Now let's turn the humidity up a notch. Number 8, areca palm. Areca palms are one of the best natural humidifiers you can own. During dry seasons, especially winter, they release moisture that helps soothe sinuses, throats, and skin. Ever wake up with a dry throat or stuffy nose? This plant can help. It also transforms a space visually, making it feel warmer and more alive. Bright, indirect light and regular watering keep it thriving. But what about emotional balance? Number 9, jade plant. Jade plants are symbols of stability and abundance across cultures. Their thick, rounded leaves visually signal strength and balance. Research shows that symbols of stability in our environment influence how we approach stress. Jade plants are also extremely low maintenance. Sunlight and occasional watering are enough. Less stress, more balance. But resilience matters too. Number 10, pothos. Pothos thrives almost anywhere. Low light, missed waterings, no problem. That adaptability creates a powerful psychological effect. Watching something thrive despite conditions reminds us that flexibility matters. Its trailing vines create gentle movement that feels calming and natural. Now back to breathing comfort. Number 11, Boston fern. Boston ferns are humidity champions. They increase moisture levels and help ease dry lungs and sinus discomfort. If winter air makes breathing uncomfortable, this plant can help. They need consistent moisture and indirect light, but the respiratory benefits are worth it. Let's talk relaxation again. Number 12, chamomile. Yes, chamomile grows indoors. That familiar, calming scent isn't just for tea. Having the plant nearby creates a soothing environment. You can even harvest flowers for fresh tea. Bright light and moderate watering keep it happy. Now something unique. Number 13, snake plant. Snake plants release oxygen at night, unlike most plants. That makes them ideal for bedrooms. They improve air quality, regulate humidity, and visually create order with their upright leaves. They thrive on neglect and quietly improve your sleep environment. Need energy instead of calm? Number 14, mint. Mint's scent clears mental fog and boosts alertness. A quick brush of the leaves can refresh you instantly. It grows vigorously indoors, so trimming is part of the process, but the payoff is constant freshness. Now for grounding. Number 15, ZZ plant. The ZZ plant has thick, waxy leaves and a solid presence that feels stabilizing. It asks for almost nothing and delivers calm structure. Low light, minimal water, and it anchors a space beautifully. Let's soften harsh spaces. Number 16, bamboo palm. Bamboo palms soften rigid environments and encourage slower, deeper breathing. Their gentle movement promotes calm without effort. Bright, indirect light and consistent moisture keep them healthy. Now, emotional balance. Number 17, geranium. Geraniums produce a balancing scent that supports emotional stability. Not stimulating, not sedating, just steady. Combined with colorful blooms, they support mood gently and naturally. Mindfulness matters too. Number 18, calathea. Calatheas draw attention with intricate leaf patterns and movement. Observing them naturally brings you into the present moment. Caring for them becomes a mindfulness practice itself. Now, clarity, number 19, eucalyptus. Eucalyptus helps open airways and clear mental fog. When used properly indoors, its scent supports breathing and focus. Choose safe placement and gentle exposure. And finally, the ultimate wellness plant. Number 20, holy basil, also known as Tulsi. Tulsi is an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body handle stress. It's linked to emotional resilience, immune support, respiratory health, and mental clarity. Revered for centuries, modern research continues to support its benefits. It's easy to grow indoors with sunlight and warmth, and its presence alone promotes balance. And there you have it, 20 indoor plants that can genuinely improve your health. From better sleep to clearer thinking, from cleaner air to emotional balance. Which one are you bringing home first? Let me know in the comments, and if you already grow some of these, share your experience. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Grown Folks Gardening for more practical ways to bring nature into your life. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video where we keep growing smarter, calmer, and healthier.